Morning, students. Namaste. I, JVN Himanshu Soya, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Department of Science and Technology. Today I will discuss the session decoder. It is the part of the combinational circuit. Last few days I have discussed about multiplexer, demultiplexer. Today I will discuss decoder. Decoder is the part of the demultiplexer. Both are similar. In demultiplexer, input is 1 and output is more than 1. But in decoder, input are less than output, but not 1. But not 1. It means demultiplexer is the part of the decoder. So how to implement the circuit of decoder, how to design decoder, let's see. Decoder. This is the block diagram of the decoder. In demultiplexer, input is 1, output is more than 1, power of 2n. But in decoder, not input is 1, input is less than 1. Input is less than, not 1, input is less than output. It is the combinational circuit which convert n-bit binary input code to the m-bit output lines, where m equals to 2 power of n for input or m for output. Here no selection lines. Here selection lines are work as an input, such that output lines will be activated for one of the possible combination of the input, because here no selection line. But in demultiplexer and multiplexer there are selection lines, so there are not needed to activation. But here not selection line, so we want to activated line. So basic decoder is 2 cross 4 decoder. Here 2 cross 4, it means 2 for input and 4 for output. A and B for input, A and B though input, and 2 for output, Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 for output, and one enable activation line called E, called capital E. Active high enable E for 0 equals to deactive, E equals to 1, it means active. Active low enable, it means E bar equals to 0 active, E bar equals to 1 for deactive. To table of 2 cross 4 decoder. If E equals to 0, enable 0, what would be input of input? What will be a combination of input output? Always 0, because enable is 0, but enable is 1. There are 4 combination of the inputs: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. 0 0 for 0 0, y not for 1, for 0 1, y 1 for 1, 1 0, y2 is 1 and 1 1, y3 is 1, and remaining parts of the circuit are remain 0. So finally output is y naught equals to A bar, B bar and E for enable, and y1 equals to A bar, B and E, y2 equals to A, B bar, E, and y3 equals to A, B, E, where A, B for input or E for activation line, activate line, it means enable. How to design 2 cross 4 demultiplexer? Sorry, 2 cross 4 decoder. Here 2 input A and B, 4 output Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0. 2 input, and this is the inverting of input A bar. This is the inverter of input B bar. There are 2 inverter for A bar, for B bar. Then output of Y0 equals to A bar, B bar. Output of Y1 equals to A bar, and B. Output of Y2 equals to A B bar and output of Y3 equals to A and B. N cross 2 power n decoder generate all the 2 power n modulates for the n variable, hence must be either given in the midterm of should be convert into the AND. At any instant only one output is at the logic 1 and this output represent the midterm equivalent of binary coded input. Implementation of high order decoder using low order decoder. Similarly, last day I have discussed about demultiplexer. Before last day discussed about multiplexer. So similarly here 4x16 decoder design using of 2x4 decoder. How many 2x4 decoder? 5. This is the formula of how to use 5. 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. 4 divided by 4 isn't this equals to 1 and 4 plus 1 equals to 5. It means 5 2x4 decoder used for design of 4x16 decoder. This is the block diagram of 4x16 decoder use of 2x4 decoder. Thank you.